My name is Shane. I'm the face behind Delta Bakery. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen how I look like already. This is my first time being in front of the camera, and as you can see, I am kind of nervous. I have done a few videos, but I was never in front of the camera. So I will try to do more videos being in front of the camera for you guys, so I can teach you guys some of my tricks as well. In today's video, what I'm going to teach you is how you can pipe your shells evenly. And a lot of people have asked me, hey, how do you pipe your shells so perfectly? Like, they're so precise, the size are always the same. Well, this is what I do. This is nothing new, as a lot of you guys are using this method already. So, of course, I make my own circle because my shells are a lot bigger. And this is the template that I made. So I just put this under the silicone sheet when I pipe. However, sometimes when people have the silicone sheet already, when they pipe in the circle, they squeeze out too much and they don't stop on time. That's why their shells are not even. So today, in this video, I will be showing you a few tricks on how you can pipe your shells more evenly in this video today. If you have any questions, make sure to leave your questions down below, or if I don't make any sense to you, please do let me know. Share your comment down below. I will look at it and get back to you. Or if I just don't make any sense, in this video, or there's certain words that you couldn't catch because of my accent. Of course, English is my second language, and I will try my best to pronounce them correctly, but if I don't, please forgive me. Like I said, English is my second language, and I didn't pick up English until I was maybe 12 years old. So, of course, with that being said, my accent is pretty thick. If you want to see anything else in the future, or if there's anything that I need to work on, please do let me know. Drop down your comment on the comment below. Anyhow, I have been talking too much. Without wasting any more time, we're gonna get started. Yes, another thing too is that when I pipe, I only squeeze it from the top here. I don't ever squeeze it from down here, just because when you squeeze it from up here, it comes out a lot smoother. And then, when your bag gets loose, just make sure you twist as you go, so that way all the batter come out evenly. All right? All right, so you're gonna put it in the center and start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop, go off to the side. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop squeezing, go off to the side. All right, so it's you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you stop squeezing and you go off to the side, so that way you don't have that nipple. So let's say if you don't do that and you don't go off to the side, if you just finish piping and you go like that, you see the difference? You see the nipple? You don't want to just pull it straight up and still squeezing. If you do that, you end up with that nipple. But going back to what I was saying, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop squeezing, go off to the side. You see how smooth the shell is. So that is why you need to stop squeezing before you go off to the side. So I took out my template and just gently tap it underneath like this. And I don't tap it too much, and as you can see, I barely have any air bubbles at all. And you see this one still have that nipple, so that's why you don't want to pipe pulling this straight up. You want to make sure you go off to the side to cut it off.
Look at how beautiful and fluffy they look. They are just beautiful.
Right, so they are done baking, and as you can see, the sides are pretty even. Alright, so with the colors, these are the two colors that I used to achieve that very pretty color. As you can see, this is orange, this is red. The brand is Sunnyside Bakery. I got this from Hobby Lobby. It's only $1.99. It's really cheap, and you can't beat that price. And I will give you a closer look. This is how they look like. So if you're able to catch these on sale, I know that Hobby Lobby normally have them on for 40% off. And if you catch them when they're 40% off, just get a whole bunch of them. They're really good. They do come in bigger bottle size too. The only bad thing is that they don't have all the colors and the big size. This is how the shell looks like, and yeah, this is pretty much it. Like I said before, just make sure when you're squeezing, you hold it steady and you squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Once you fill in your circle, stop squeezing and go off to the side. But remember to count in your head or count out loud: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You don't have to go up to 10. You can go up to 6, 7, or 8. It's all on you. But just make sure that if you count up to a certain number, you do that for every single shells, so that way when you pipe, they're even. And that's what I did when I first started. It works really well for me, so that's what I've been doing. But now I don't do it anymore, just because I got the hang of it. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave your comment down below, or if you want to see any videos on any other tricks, let me know. Again, put it down below in the comment section, and I will go through them, and if I have time, for sure, I will make videos on it. And if you do like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.